Guys, AI-generated videos are blowing up on YouTube right now. Creators are building entire channels around cinematic AI content, and channels like AI Trailer Cinema and PJ Ace are pulling in millions of views. The crazy part? These channels are already monetized, which means they're making real money from this content. Now, you're probably thinking, I'd need a bunch of expensive AI subscriptions to make videos like this. An image generator, a video generator, a voice generator, basically a different tool for everything. But what if I told you that you can create videos like these using just one AI tool? One AI agent that handles almost your entire workflow from writing the script to generating the final cinematic video. It keeps your characters consistent across every scene, maintains the same voice throughout the video, and creates cinematic visuals without forcing you into a complicated workflow. Before I show you how it works, I want you to watch this video I made using this exact AI tool.
Hey kiddo, you always thought being brave meant knowing where you were going. It just means taking the You don't have to keep every room locked just because something precious happened inside. Home isn't the place that keeps you from leaving. It's the place that teaches you how to come back to.
Pretty good, right? And the best part is, I didn't use a complicated workflow or jump between 5 different tools. I made it with a single AI agent. So if you want to create cinematic AI videos like these from scratch, I'll show you the complete process, step by step. Let's get started. First, click the link in my description and head over to Flova AI. Now, one thing you should know, Flova isn't just another AI video generator. It's actually an AI-native video creation agent platform, which means it can handle your entire filmmaking workflow from start to finish. Once you're on the website, sign up with your Google account. After that, you'll see an interface like this. Right at the top, you'll notice the AI Director chat. This is basically the brain of Flova. It understands your video idea and production requirements, then starts building a complete production workflow for you. It writes your script, creates a storyboard, designs consistent characters, generates voices, creates scenes, and finally assembles everything into one cinematic video. Now, if you look just below the chat box, you'll find a bunch of different skills. These aren't just simple templates. Think of them as specialized production workflows that guide the AI director through different creative tasks. Each skill is designed for a specific type of project, helping the AI follow the right process from planning all the way to the final output. You'll find skills like reference to video, product promo video, script to video, and many more. If you scroll down a little further, you'll also see videos that were created entirely inside Flova. These examples give you a good idea of the kind of high-quality content you can actually make with this platform. Now, let's take a look at the left sidebar. Here you'll find several tools, including the generator section, where you can separately generate images, videos, audio, and music using some of the latest AI models available. This is useful whenever you need a specific asset, but in today's tutorial, we're not generating individual assets. Instead, we're letting Flova's AI director handle the entire cinematic filmmaking process from scratch. So let's go back to the home page. Now, simply tell the AI what kind of video you want. For example, I'll type, create a cinematic short film with realistic characters, natural emotions, smooth camera movements, beautiful lighting, and a high-quality movie look. The more detailed your prompt is, the more accurate your final video will be. But honestly, even if your prompt is short and simple, Flova's AI director is smart enough to produce great results. Now, if you already have a script, character designs, audio, video clips, or any other assets you want to use, just click the plus icon and upload them. The AI director will use those as references throughout your project. Next, you'll see the models section. Here, you'll find powerful models for image generation, video generation, audio generation, and music creation, including Seedance 2.5, one of the latest and most powerful video generation models available. But here's the best part. You don't have to waste time figuring out which model works best for cinematic results. Flova's AI AI director automatically picks the right models based on your project's needs. After that, you'll see the skills section again. And honestly, this is probably my favorite feature in Flova. You can simply choose the workflow that matches your project. Since we're making a cinematic short film today, I'll select the script to video skill. Once that's done, click Generate. Flova's AI director will prepare the script to video workflow and ask for your script. But in my case, I don't have one yet. So I'll simply tell it, write a good video script yourself. Within seconds, it'll start writing the entire story for me. Once it's done, it'll ask whether I'm happy with the script. If you want to change anything, you can ask the AI to rewrite or improve it. But I actually like this version, so I'll click Continue with this story. Now Flova starts generating the final video specifications and the complete storyboard. This is where you should review everything carefully. For example, I only want a 1-minute video, but Flova planned a 3 to 4 minute version. So I'll simply tell it, I only need a 1-minute video. The AI director immediately updates both the video specifications and the storyboard. Once everything looks good, approve it. Now Flova starts generating all the assets for your project. You'll notice it creates multiple angle versions of each character. And that's actually important because it keeps your characters consistent across every single scene. If you want to change any character or visual, you can simply ask the AI to update it. Everything looks good to me, so I'll approve it. Now Flova starts generating every shot for the film. As you can see, all the shots maintain consistent characters throughout the entire video, which is honestly one of Flova's strongest features. And here's something I really like. If you don't like a particular shot, you don't have to regenerate the entire video. You can edit only that specific shot. For example, in the last scene, Flova generated an interior car shot, but I only want an exterior shot where the girl gets into the car and drives away. So I'll type that change and click the regenerate button. Within a few moments, the AI updates only that shot. You can clearly see the before and after difference. It follows the instructions almost perfectly. Once you're satisfied with all your scenes, approve them. Now Flova generates the audio. It gives you 2 different voice options, a shorter version and a longer version. Listen to both and pick whichever fits your video better. I'll choose the shorter one. After a little processing, Flova combines every scene, adds the voiceover, includes background music, and places everything into a complete editable timeline. From here, you can make quick edits like adjusting the volume, trimming shots, replacing scenes, or making other small changes. Once your video is completely ready, simply click the export button at the top. Your cinematic film will be saved directly to your device. And that's the complete process of creating a cinematic short film from scratch using Flova AI. The thing I liked most about Flova is that you don't have to keep switching between different tools. Everything from writing the script to editing the final video happens inside one platform. It doesn't just save time, it makes the entire production workflow much simpler. So I definitely recommend checking out Flova for yourself. You can also explore their pricing plans based on your needs. Plans start at just $17, and new users get 100 free credits instantly after signing up. On top of that, every successful referral earns you an additional 200 credits. I've added the Flova link in the description below. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.